Thanks, Abby. So you guys know I colored my hair black. I've had it black for almost a month now. And it's been fading into this really weird pattern. So I am going to try to lighten it without lightening it. Because my husband does not want me to use bleach on my hair because I just want to chop my hair off. And when I'm depressed, I really, really just want to like shave my head, and my husband won't let me do that. So I'm like, part of me just really wants to just chop it and just be good, but can't. So he won't let me lighten it because he knows it's gonna fall out, and then I'll have to chop it. So I'm gonna try to use 20 volume developer and baking soda, and then shampoo it after with anti-dandruff shampoo. I got the Heritage brand because that brand smells good and it's better than Head & Shoulders, because Head & Shoulders is technically Drano or something like that. And so, or embalming fluid or something weird. So yeah, Head & Shoulders is not good for you, for your hair. So I'm not going to use that because if I'm already putting damage on it from the 20 volume, I don't want to add extra damage to it. So yeah, and then I got a Shea Moisture hair mask so when I'm done with the whole process, then I'm gonna sit in that for like 15 minutes and then rinse it out because I don't wanna like cause more damage. My hair's already damaged. Like, you can see the damage. It's really bad. Like, I'm that girl. It's like, just cut the ends off, and then it's like this much dead. So yeah, we're gonna try to at least get it to like a different brown because my roots are crazy. Like, I just want it like this. That way it's even. Or like this piece. Like so you can see. I don't know why my hair does this. Like, every time I color it, and I'm very careful and I'm very precise about how I apply. I do little sections, and actually this time I had Cody do it, but he did it like the back of it, so I don't know why it's doing this. And I also colored it black twice on top of the spots, and the spots that I colored again are fading to this weird color. So I shall update you tomorrow, and we'll see what color it is, and I'll tell you if it worked or not. So yeah, I definitely took some of it out. Not the best, and my hair's a frizzy mess right now, but I did take some of it out. I'm gonna probably try to do this like once a month and see if I can get it to fade fast. Right now I am also going to get a haircut because my hair is super uneven and it's driving me bonkers. So yeah, but that's the result of using it one time. So, alright, well, I love you guys. Bye.